If you're just getting into trading, you probably think the platform matters the most. Like Robinhood, Webull, Thinkorswim, maybe even switching apps will improve your results. But honestly, that's not what makes or breaks a trader. The platform is just a tool. What actually decides if you survive or fail is everything you do outside of it. Trading setup. Let's start with something most beginners underestimate, your trading setup. And I don't mean expensive monitors or fancy equipment. I mean your environment. Because if your space is messy, your decisions usually are too. You just need a clean setup, stable internet, and a simple screen, not 10 indicators fighting for attention. The goal is to reduce noise so you can actually think clearly. Trading plan. Now, this is where most beginners go wrong. They don't have a plan. They just sit in front of charts and react. A trading plan is basically your rules before emotions show up. It tells you when to enter, when to exit, what setups you actually trade, and when you should do absolutely nothing. Because without rules, you're not trading, you're just guessing. Market observation. Before you can trade well, you need something more basic. Screen time. Just watching the market, seeing how price moves, how volume reacts, how momentum builds and fades. This is not something you learn from a strategy video. You learn it by observing the market over and over again until patterns start to make sense. Trading routine. One thing you'll notice about good traders, they don't rely on motivation. They rely on routine. Every day looks pretty similar. Before the market opens, they prepare their levels and watch list. During the session, they only take high quality setups, nothing forced. And after the market closes, they go back and review everything in their journal. It's simple, but extremely consistent. Psychology and risk management. Because most traders don't blow up from bad strategies, they blow up from emotions. At the end of the day, the goal isn't to win every trade, it's to stay in the game long enough to actually learn. That's it. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.